Meaning of drug dealer.
Drug dealer.
Drug dealer.
Drug dealer.
Drug dealer. A drug dealer is an individual who sells illegal drugs to others. They may work independently or as part of a larger drug trafficking organization. Drug dealers often operate in secrecy and use various measures to avoid detection by law enforcement. They can cause harm to individuals and society by promoting drug addiction and contributing to crime and violence. Many countries have laws prohibiting drug dealing, and those caught face severe penalties that can include imprisonment and hefty fines.